Hey everyone, it's Alpha Blue 1000 here with another Beyblade. Okay, my Beyblade. Okay, here's my launcher grip, my Bey pointer, and Bey launcher. Okay, let's get started. I'll start with the pointer first. Here's my Bey pointer. It contains your points and your wins, and right now my points are 1650 points. Okay, so let me check my wins. Press A to check your wins. So I got 16 wins, and I also got one lose. And to change, you want to change your points with someone. I got most of my points from my classmate because I battled him. Okay, you just do like this with another pointer, then press, then set it to win or lose. Then you can either press B, so you can change it, like win or lose, change it, whatever. Let's change it like that. Then I got like 16 wins, 1 lose, 1650 points, and next up is the Bey launcher and Bey pointer. Okay, here's my Bey launcher and pointer. It's like attached already in this thing, and you notice that this here in your like side of your launcher grip, well, it's a spanner or a fixer for your Beyblade instead of using the one in your box. It already has its own. Okay. Then to lock it in place, do like this. Then like that, it's locked. See, it's locked na. Tapos, if you look down, like that, see it's connected. Like that's been connected. And this is where you can put like your the angle compass, or you can also do like this. If you feel more comfortable like this, you can do like this instead. But those who want to do it the other way like Jenga, you can do like this. So make me more comfortable. And also I have also my here my Storm Pegasus Beyblade. I did put the stick on the face, but it's here. And here's the bait track, the metal wheel, and the clear wheel, and the face. Here's my down, the performance step or bottom part for my Beyblade. And that's it for now for Alpha Blues 1000's review. Okay, see you again for my next video. What a Beyblade, and Merry Christmas. Okay, bye. Peace, people. Peace. Okay, Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. Okay, bye.